Hello everybody. Do you know how to say very in Thai? I think it's like one of the first words that you learn, right? Maak. Or you can repeat it twice. Maak, ma. But what if you're bored of it and you want to say some other stuff? More interesting stuff. You could say จังเลย ดีมาก ดีมากๆ ดีจังเลย Very colloquial of saying very, right? ดีจังเลย ชอบจังเลยวู้สวยจังเลยว่าอะไรอ่ะฮ่อน่ารักจังเลยจังเลย What if you want to give like a level above จังเลย How would you say? That would be โหสุดๆดีสุดๆเลยดีมากๆโอ้ผู้หญิงคนนี้สวยสุดๆสวยจริงๆสุดคือ like it's like at the top, right? Very good. What if you want to be a little bit like, oh my god, it's fucking good. How do you say that? You would use this word โคตรโอ้โหโคตรดีเลยอะโคตรสวยอะเล่นโรลเลอร์โคสเตอร์เมื่อวานโคตรสนุกอะโคตรสนุก but it's very informal and you would actually use it with only your friends or close friends if you want to, show your informalness. Very good. And the next word you can actually use is ไปหมด For example เด็กคนนี้เรียน grade A. Yeah, he gets grade A in math, in soccer, in sports, in music, like everything, yeah, straight A and like everything so good, like โอ้โหดีไปหมดเด็กคนนี้ดีไปหมดทุกอย่าง but actually this word you can make it a little bit sarcasm. For example, you can go โอ้โหดีไปหมดเลย like that, make the face and do like ไปหมดเลยโหดีไปหมดเลย like that, because the word ไป is to go and หมด is to finish, so it's like ดีไป the goodness went and now it's finished. ดีไปหมด. So remember to make some faces if you want to put in some sarcastic remark, okay? Thank you very much and I will see you again. Bye.